Hello students! In this video, you are going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem, or Pythagoras theorem, as it's sometimes called. Well, this Pythagoras theorem is an important topic in mathematics, which explains the relation between the sides of a right-angled triangle. What is a right-angled triangle? A right-angled triangle is a triangle in which one angle always measures 90 degrees, whereas the other two angles are always acute. That is about the angles. What about the sides? What do we call them? The side opposite to the 90 degrees angle is always the largest side in a right-angled triangle. This side is called a hypotenuse. And the remaining two sides are called legs. Now, let's see what Pythagoras theorem is. This theorem states that, in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Let us consider that A and B are the legs, and C is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Then, C square is equal to A square plus B square. Is there any proof to support this statement? Yes, there are many ways to prove Pythagoras theorem. Let us prove this Pythagoras theorem by rearrangement. Take four identical right triangles with side lengths A, B, and C, where C is the length of the hypotenuse. Arrange them in such a way that their hypotenuses form a tilted square. The area of this square is C square. And, when you add this square area with the area of all four triangles, you will get the complete area of the figure. Therefore, the area of the figure is equal to the area of four triangles, plus the area of the square. We do know that the area of a triangle equals half of the product of base and height. So, the area of each triangle will be equal to half of the product of A and B. Therefore, the area of this figure is equal to 4 times AB upon 2 plus C square, which is equal to 2AB plus C square. Note down this area. Now, without changing the area of the figure, rearrange the triangles into two rectangles, leaving small squares on either side. The area of those squares are A square and B square. And the area of each rectangle is AB. Therefore, the area of this figure is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. We already got the area of this figure, which is equal to 2AB plus C square. The areas of both the figures are the same. So, 2AB plus C square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB on the left-hand side and 2AB on the right-hand side get cancelled out. Therefore, C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is the relation between the sides of a right-angled triangle, and we simply call it Pythagoras theorem. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Consider a triangle ABC, where the right angle is at B. Now, can you find which side is the hypotenuse? Yes, the side AC is the hypotenuse, as it is opposite to the angle of 90 degrees. Since AC is the hypotenuse, the remaining sides, AB and BC, are the legs. Now, can you form any relation between the sides of this right-angled triangle, ABC? Yes, by using the Pythagoras theorem, you can say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And always remember that this theorem is applicable to right-angled triangles only. Similarly, consider a right-angled triangle, PQR, where the right angle is at P. Now, try to find the relation between the sides of this triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. Yes, the relation is QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square, as QR is the hypotenuse, PQ and PR are the legs of the triangle, PQR. So, to apply Pythagoras theorem, you should be able to identify the hypotenuse, and the legs for a given right-angled triangle. Generally, Pythagoras' theorem is used to find the length of the unknown sides of a right-angled triangle, when the other two side lengths are known. For example, consider a triangle ABC right-angled at A, with AB length equal to 8 cm, AC length equal to 6 cm, and BC length unknown. Now, will you be able to find the length of the side BC with this information? And yes, you can. Observe the triangle. The right angle is at A. Hence, the opposite side, BC, is the hypotenuse, and the remaining two sides, AB and AC, are the legs. So, by using Pythagoras' theorem, you will get BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. You already know the values of AB and AC. By substituting, you will get BC square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. That implies BC square is equal to 100. This implies BC is equal to the square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Therefore, the length of the side BC is equal to 10 centimeters. In this way, you can find the length of the unknown side of a right-angled triangle by using Pythagoras' theorem. Now, let us solve one problem for better understanding. A rectangular gate is 16.8 feet wide and has a diagonal length of 21 feet. How high is the gate? Consider ABCD as a rectangular gate, with AC as a diagonal. Now, we need to find the height of the gate. That is, the length of side BC. As every angle in a rectangle is equal to 90 degrees, you can easily say that the triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle, where the right angle is at B. So, by using Pythagoras' theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That implies BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Therefore, BC is equal to the square root of AC square minus AB square. Now, by substituting the values of AC and AB, you will get BC is equal to the square root of 21 square minus 16.8 square, which is equal to the square root of 441 minus 282.24, which is equal to the square root of 158.76. And the value of the square root of 158.76 is equal to 12.6. Therefore, BC is equal to 12.6 feet. That is, the rectangular gate is 12.6 feet high. Note that this Pythagoras theorem has various real-life applications. It is used to find the length of the diagonal of a square and the slant height of a cone. It is used in navigation too, for finding the shortest route. It is also used to find the height of buildings, mountains, and many other things. Now, let us summarize the concept. Pythagoras' theorem states that, in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. The Pythagorean theorem is applicable only to the right-angled triangle. Pythagoras' theorem is used to find the length of the unknown side of a right-angled triangle when the other two side lengths are known.